Fault finding in mobile phones. In this lecture, you are going to understand the fault finding in mobile phones and also the solution to repair that problem. Problems in mobile phone. Ringer. It is a type of component that rings or plays sound is called ringer. It is also known as by several other names like buzzer, melody, etc. Faults. Ringer not working, less sound from the ringer, sound coming from ringer but with an interruption or sound is not clear. Solution to the problem is that the check ringer setting in mobile phone, check ringer volume, open mobile phone and clean ringer point and ringer connector, check ringer by keeping the multimeter buzzer mode and value must be to 8 into 10 OHM. If the value is not between 8 into 10 OHM, then charge the ringer, check track of ringer section, do jumper wherever required, check ringer IC, heat or change if required, CPU, heat, reball or change it. Vibrator. Vibrator, it is a type of component that vibrates. It is also called motor. Vibrator is controlled by logic IC or power IC. Faults. Vibrator is not working, vibration with interruption or vibrate hangs. Solution to the problem. Check vibrator setting. Solution to the problem. Check vibrator setting in mobile phone. Check if vibrator is on or off. Open mobile phone and clean vibrator tip connector. Check vibrator by keeping the multimeter in buzzer mode. Value must be between 8 into 16 OHM. If the value is not between that particular value, then change the vibrator. Check track of vibrator section and do jumper wherever is required. Light. It is a type of component that generates it is a type of component that generates light in the mobile phone. These are generally LED. Faults. No light, light in only keypad or display, some lights not working. Solution to the problem. Check light setting. Then resolder all LED. There are two types of connection in the light section of a mobile phone, that is series section and parallel connection. Change display and check. Keep multimeter in buzzer mode and check LED. If LED is good, then it will glow. If LED is faulty, then it will not glow. Change LED or jumper. Check track and jumper if required. Check boosting coil. Light IC heat or change the power IC. Headphone. Headphone, it is a type of component that does the job of mic and speaker separately. When we insert headphone, then speaker and microphone of the mobile phone get disconnected. Headphone is controlled by CPU. Faults. That there is no sound on the headphone, or the sound coming from the one side, or sound does not go from the mic of the headphone. Solution. Change the headphone and check. Clean the headphone jack and connector. Resolder or change the headphone connector. Check the track of the headphone section, or change the headphone IC, or change the audio IC or power IC or CPU. Screen touch. Touch screen is helped to operate a mobile phone by touching the screen. Touch screen is available in different sizes. It normally has 4 points, namely positive, negative, RX or TX. It is controlled by the CPU. In some mobile phone there is interface IC called PDA IC or a screen touch IC. False. That there is screen touch not working, only half screen touch work, one key is pressed and some other key works. Solution to the problem. Check the setting if the mobile phone has both keypad or touch screen. Clean and resolder a PDA tips. Change PDA or check the track of a PDA section and jumper if required. Change PDA IC or change CPU. Display. The display section of a mobile phone is controlled by the CPU. In some mobile phone there is interface IC called display IC, which is between the display and the CPU. Nothing shows on the display or display is blank if there is a fault. Only half display working, display broken or cracked, or sometime it is not working. There is only light in the display and nothing else. Solution to the problem. Clean display and display connector. Resolve the display connector, change the display, check display track, or change the display IC or change CPU. Smartphones. What is smartphones? A smartphone is a mobile phone with more advanced computing capability and connectivity than basic feature phone. Smartphone typically include the feature of a computer with those of another popular consumer device such as a personal digital assistant, a media player, a digital camera or a GPS navigation unit. Later, smartphones include all of those plus the feature of a touchscreen computer including web browsing or Wi-Fi or mobile payment. The feature of the smartphone are as follow: media player, digital camera, GPS navigation unit, web browsing, Wi-Fi, third party app, motion sensor, mobile payment. Now let us see the basic problems found in Android phone. Prior to that, we should have basic knowledge of Android phone. Android is the operating system designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphone and tablet computer. What is Android? Let us understand with the help of the introduction. It is based on the 2.6 kernel. Operating system is available free to manufacture. Application written in a combination of Java and XML. Designed to encourage use and reuse application. ADT includes graphical phone emulator. Now let us see the basic problems in Android phone. Android phone poor at the power management. This we can see in the slide. Antenna problem. In Android phone there is a poor signal strength, broken glass and display problem. It can also cause more serious problem over time such as backlight malfunction, dark spots. Continued cell phone use with a cracked screen can eventually lead to complete loss of functionality. Screen replacement require a very careful hand. Water damage problem. Water damage can cause crucial problem in your phone, leaving it inoperable. As soon as you get any liquid on your cellular phone, immediately remove the battery. Charging problem. Most charging problems are related to your USB. There are following steps to repair charging problem. First, checking up the charger. If the charger is good, weak or being damaged, or try to use other good and working charger to compare if the charging problem still exists. Second, checking up the battery. If it is still working or weak, test its voltage and current or replace with a good and working one. Third, checking of the charging pin. Connector by visualization and see to it for someone breakage or some dust and dirt corrosion. Corrosive elements such moisture may also cause the problem and see that it clean and free of any corrosive object. Checking of the charging terminal contact pads. If it is free from any dust and dirt, make sure that it is totally clean. Basic problems in mobile phones. Overheating problem. Check if the mobile phone get heated when a particular application is running or the heating happen always. Check the heating point and running application status with the normal status. Many smartphones like Samsung Galaxy series or Nokia smartphones or China mobile phone get heated if too many applications are running at the same time. This is because the processor has to do many jobs at the same time. Close all the application and try to run one application at one time to avoid mobile phone heating problems. If heating happen, then there is some internal hardware problem. Most mobile phone service center and mobile phone repairing expert like will change the PCB or logic board to solve the heating problem. Speaker problem. Static, distortion, robot voices, cross chatter or echoes. When using phone, then chances are the speaker related problem is hardware, that the speaker itself has become damaged and will need to be replaced. If the sound worked before and has stopped suddenly, this could be the result of software issue as well. Solution. Solution to the problem. If it is the software, we can probably fix this issue quickly. Check your volume and make sure it will up all the way. If you can hear people or your internal speaker, then it is most likely not a volume issue. But you have surely checked that already. try and lower the volume to 50%. If the speakers below it might not play at 100% volume, if lowering and the volume got the sound to work, then you have to found a temp fix but not a permanent one and should proceed to the hardware section below. How to disassemble the mobile phone. Now let us understand the disassembling procedure. Step 1. Switch off the phone. Step 2. Remove battery cover. Step 3. Now remove battery, SIM card, memory card as per shown in figure. Step 4. Remove all the screws from the phone. Step 5. Lift back cover with the help of a flat screwdriver. Strip off front camera and display strip. Step 6. Lift main camera from display assembly and then remove camera strip. Step 7. Finally remove motherboard, vibrator, second camera and strip off volume and speaker. Now let us understand how to assemble of mobile phone. Step 1. Fix vibrator, strips of speaker and volume button assembly. Step 2. Fix main camera and SIM and memory card. Step 3. Connect following wires. Following steps are antenna with wire or wire of speaker volume strip. Step 4. Place front camera and connect it. Put camera cover. Place the screw. Make sure that its LCD is working by switching it on. After that, fix it with the help of screws. Step 5. Finally put battery and battery cover. Thank you.